my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. My name is Deanna Monet, and on this channel I do hair reviews, beauty, and fashion. So today I do have a new wig review for you guys. This is a new textured unit that was released by Outre. It is their Annie Bob in 12 inches. Now this unit was originally released as a half wig, and it's a very popular texture half wig by Outre, but now we have it in a bob. So I will be reviewing this in a little bit, but first I wanted to do a small jewelry unboxing with you all from Anna Luisa. For those of you who may not be familiar with Anna Luisa, they are a fine jewelry company, and they specialize in long-lasting pieces that are crafted with care so that they will last a long time. So they're very big on quality. They have very fair prices, starting at $39, which really allows everyone to be able to find something they like and afford it on their website. So no one is left out. Everyone can find a nice little statement piece and add it to their jewelry collection. And they also use the best noble metals in their jewelry. Something I also really like about the company is their commitment to the environment and preserving it. And they are also 100% carbon neutral. So when they manufacture their materials, they're not putting lots of toxic chemicals out into the atmosphere. They are very conscious of their commitment to helping preserve the environment. So first of all, look at this packaging. It is so cute. I love the material. I love how it comes in these nice little envelopes. You can definitely reuse these if you're on the go, if you're traveling, anything like that. So this is my first piece here. This is Rhee. And this is how it looks here. It's a very pretty gold chain bracelet. You can see the detail on that. It has this cute little heart charm. This is my second time getting jewelry from them, and I do really like how it lasts. It does not fade or anything. And this is the necklace here, Joy. So here is the chain on the necklace. And the charm is just adorable. It did come with like a protective plastic over it to protect it from scratches or anything like that. So here are the two pieces side by side. They are so cute. They go very nicely together, actually. So pretty. Okay, let's see if I can put the necklace on by myself. Let's try that. So this is how the Joy necklace looks on me. It is so beautiful. And here is the Lisa bracelet. You can see the little heart there. Oh, we matching. Oh, it has a little diamond. Hold up. So it might be kind of hard to see, but there's like a small diamond inside the heart. Oh my gosh, I love. These are really pretty and they go so well together. So I will have both of these items linked in the description box below. And they're also having a Black Friday BOGO sale where if you buy one item, you get another one for 40% off. So make sure you check out their website to see if you want to grab any deals for Black Friday. And once again, thank you so much to Anna Luisa for sending over this jewelry for me to try. I love it. I love this set. So now let's get into our wig review. First of all, I do currently have on Outre Nisha H301. Yes, Outre just released 2 new half wig Anisha units. So if you have not already seen this review, then check that out on my channel as well. It'll be somewhere recent on my channel. So I have my Annie Bob in the color DR2 Ginger Brown. This is just a lace front unit. Nothing special, no bells and whistles. I believe she was about $29. I will double check that and have that on the screen also. Ooh, I love this color. Love this color hair. The lace is like a very light yellowish. And they give you a lot of it. They do give you some baby hairs. And inside she has 2 combs here, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps. The hair feels like very soft and flowy. I'm getting good movement from her. So yeah, let's try her on. This is really cute. Okay. Ooh. Okay, so I am getting some shedding from her. Maybe from me cutting the lace, I don't know. Ooh, I like that. I like that. Why did I wait so long to review this unit? Like, it took me forever to get her. Shame on me. Shame on me. Why am I talking so much also? I'm in a very talkative mood. Okay, I even like it with like my little baby hairs that was already kind of done a little bit. Okay, let's take this down. Y'all, look at how easy that was. Is this whole video going to be in real time? Just had to get some hair off me. I could literally like do this whole video in real time with no editing. Okay, the shedding is ridiculous. Let's get that out the way. The shedding is real. I don't know if I cut too close or what, but baby, it is on flat. Wow. Wow. Look at my hairline, like, I don't even have to add powder. What is this? What's going on? Whoa. Talk about throw on and go. That was probably 5 minutes. Let me gather some of this hair that I'm getting. I put some of it on the floor already. Now, where were we? We were talking about how cute this hair is. Okay, we're talking about how that looks like really good. Okay, got my little baby hairs, but you can't really see it because it covers it down. That's fine. That's totally fine. Yeah, you guys, this one, so super cute, super easy. Look at it from the side. Ooh. She giving angles. She's serving angles. She's serving dimension. Ooh. Ooh. Somebody stop me. Somebody stop me. Y'all know I'm feeling this one. Ooh. Ooh. Y'all know. Okay, so I'm not even going to make this super long or drawn out or anything because I feel like I was talking majority of this video anyway. So let's get on with it. This is the Annie Bob in 12 inches, color DR2 Ginger Brown. And here are all of the other fabulous colors she comes in. Yes, Outre. Yes, Outre. Give us color. Give us shine. Give us texture. Give us cut. Yes, they did that. So I did get this unit from Wig Types, as I often do. Wig Types, if you are watching, I'm waiting. I'm waiting on my phone call. But anyway, I got it from Wig Types and it costs $27.94. Now, if you got a specialty color like this one or like all of these on the back are, it is a $2 upcharge. So you're looking at $29.94. Okay, this is not bad. Do you see when I talk what she does? Oh. Ooh. So So the funny thing is, this unit makes no special claims on the stock card. They just call it a lace front wig that is heat resistant up to 400 degrees. They do say she has HD transparent lace, which they all say, but I do think the lace on her is really nice. No special claims, and she's a banger. Like, yes, I am here for it. The hairline looks really, really good. I'm kind of sort of getting the Outre Melted Hairline collection. I'm getting those vibes a little bit from that hairline. I really, really like that. So this unit is big head friendly. She has a very, very nice stretch to her. Very big head friendly. You saw all the lace she came with. I mean, it was like past my eyebrows. So it comes with a lot of lace and big head friendly. I love the color, the texture, and the luster. She is yaki, so she is feeling good. She is feeling natural. The density of her is perfect. Perfect. A very natural density. This one is so impressive to me. She was shedding. Okay, I had to go down on the floor and look at this. Look, this is what I was sweeping off of my legs, okay? So all of that came off of this. Now, I don't know if I cut too close to the lace or something. I don't know, but she was shedding. She's not shedding much now, though. I think it was just from me cutting the lace. I really like her. I did not get any tangles from her. I showed you her from all angles. Boop, boop, a very asymmetrical bob. And we talked about the price. So I'm very happy with this unit. Because of the shedding I received, I'm going to have to take off 0.5 points. So this unit is a 9.5 out of 10. Go ahead, Outre. Outre has been killing it. I have 2 units from the Outre Melted Hairline collection that I haven't even reviewed yet. That's not even posted yet. Just because they keep on coming. It's like, I can't keep up. But yeah, I'm very happy with this one. It's a true throw on and go. I did not need to apply any heat to flatten down the top of her. I didn't have to do anything. Like, this whole video, the styling portion is pretty much in real time. I just put her on, cut the lace. I didn't even add any powder. Hello. Soul Light Voice. Hey. I thank you so much for watching this video in full. If you made it to this portion of the video, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. You know you liked it. And hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the bell next to it so you never miss when I post. Follow me over on IG, please. I need some more followers. I'm trying to get to 2K. All right. My Instagram is Deanna_Monet. I would really appreciate that. Please check out my friends over at Anna Luisa. Look at this. Look at this, okay? Look at this. Look at this. Quality jewelry that is going to last you without fading. Check them out. They are having a Black Friday sale. So make sure you head over there. All the details for them will be in the description box below. And I thank you all so much for watching this video, for putting up with my shenanigans. You really make this fun for me. Thank you so much for all the love and support, and I will catch you in the next one.